Hi and welcome to Index Cards. Here are some quick tips on moving cards. The first way to move a card is to do just a simple click, drag and drop. So here we can see that I'm just clicking the card 3 and moving it to position 1. Let's try that again. Click and drag card 2 into a different position. Pretty simple. You can also do a right click on a card. This is in thumbnail view, as you can see, and we can do change position. In change position, we can move it to position 1, 2 or 3. So let me move it to the position 2 in the stack. Now, you may not know which is the position of a card when you have a lot of cards in a stack. So we've included in the settings a show stack position feature. So if we click on that and then I go back into the stack, now you'll see the card positions on the different cards. So now if I right click and change position, I can move this to the correct position that I want. Okay, so that's how you can easily move cards within a stack. You can drag and drop or right click. The same thing goes in actually moving cards between different groups within a stack. So I can move a card into a group by clicking and dragging. Try that again. There we go. Group 1. And now we'll see this card is in group 1. If I click on ungroup cards, I'll see the remaining cards. Let me try another card, click and drag, and moving it into group 2. And let's see this final card. Let's move that into group 3. Pretty simple. I can also move cards by using the right click. Sometimes this is helpful if you're using a touch screen or if you're having trouble with the mouse. And here I can move to the group. So I can move this card from group 3, let's say, into group 1. Let's move that. Now it's moved and you see the 2 cards that are in group 1. Likewise, I can move a card from this stack into another stack using the same method. Do a right click, move to stack. Now what will happen is Index Cards will first of all give you a name of the different stacks that you can move the card into, and I've created a second stack just for this example. So I'm going to move it there. And then, if there are groups in that stack, you're going to be asked which group to move the card to. And in this case, I've put one in there as a test. Let's move it to group 3. So it's moving the card. And now, when I go back to this other stack called second stack, we can see we have this group 3 and the card has been moved in there. Finally, if you want to switch off the view of the stack thumbnails, you can switch it off in the settings just like that. We hope this has been helpful, and please give us your feedback with any more features or ideas for Index Cards. Thank you.